Go the other way. No, he's just the way he was looking at you was weird.
Well, everybody looks at me like that.
No, not like that, dude.
Determined.
Not for too long, though.
That is to be determined. All right, I think we're good. Like they look
Okay.
good. I like when they do shots like this.
Okay.
All right, kill it. So I think that was good. I mean, even though this shoe looks like this shoe, you know, I still got to get it out the way.
Yep.
But yeah,
They do look very similar.
they do. Like very, very similar.
So what are these ones called?
These are the Air Force One.
Oh.
Yeah, this was the Presto. Now we're doing Air Force One.
I like them both.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Would you wear them?
Oh, yeah.
Which one out of the two?
Like I said, I wear them both.
Oh yeah, you just said that. That's right. It's been a long day.
It's been a long day. It's been a good day. We're gonna ready to eat here in like 30 minutes. It's gonna be nice.
Click on the shoe. Click on that big old swoosh.
Swoosh.
There we go. I think the focus jumped.
Why do they call it a swoosh?
It's a long story actually.
And how come they're called Air Force Ones? Like Jordan's dad in the Air Force?
I don't know if Jordan's dad was in the Air Force. Rest in peace.
Maybe Jordan was in the Air Force.
I don't know.
Just for like a month or two?
No, he definitely wasn't, dude. He went to high school.
Sure?
I'm 1,000% sure.
Maybe that's why they call them Air Force Ones.
Air Force Ones don't have anything to do with Air Jordan, my guy.
Maybe his dad was in the Air Force.
These are clean though. Shout out to the gifter, for real. Shout out to the gifter. What is this, pair number 4 of the day?
I think so.
Sometimes Virgil actually does disappoint.
If he does,
I don't mean to disappoint you, but that's true.
he's a smart dude.
That's the thing, like doing things to disappoint on purpose.
Yeah.
Like when he did that Pop Smoke cover, which I'm sure you know nothing about.
I don't know anything
He
about
totally messed up that Pop Smoke cover.
that. He probably did it on purpose.
Probably did it on purpose. What's going on with
Even
you, man?
Comac messes up.
Come on, man. So where are we going? Over there?
We are going to...
Don't show me show over there. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, they're not ready for me yet.
Okay,
they're not ready for me yet.
Right,
Let's
right,
go there.
We're gonna go there.
Get hit by a car, bro.
I'm not gonna get, but why would you wish that upon me?
Because you're walking into the road,
Dude,
like,
you gotta watch what you say.
I'm just trying to tell you.
But that's nice though.
Let's go.
All right. Don't get by a car.
What do you mean we're silly today?
Like we're extra.
I'm in a happy mood today. You got to be happy, man. It's not worth it to not be happy.
You know?
It's just as easy it is to be mad. You could be happy just in the same instance. Because what is happy?
It's a state of mind.
A state of mind? What is a state of mind?
Calm.
Calm?
Yeah.
Usually when people are calm, that might not be the best state of mind.
It is for me.
Is it?
I grew up in a very like fast kind of go atmosphere.
Is that right?
I was never calm as a child.
Why not?
It was always go. Just go.
Where are you going?
That's the point. We weren't going anywhere. Like
Are
the
we
Beatles.
good? Are we good?
Yeah, we're the Beatles now.
Are we good to cross? I don't want to jaywalk,
No,
dude. That's
no.
breaking the law, especially with the camera. Come on now.
You're just saying that because we're
Responsible, bro.
recording.
I'm not saying it. A little bit, but... Dude, don't do that. I was pointing down, bro.
I know. Remember Rain Man? When he was walking across the street and he said stop, then he just stopped. You said you don't want to jaywalk.
I don't want to jaywalk.
So we got to walk like the Beatles, Abbey Road.
Abbey Road? Those things got to be like real dirty. Like who sanitizes those
She
wipes?
brings her own wipes. She wipes down everything.
That's what you're supposed to do.
Exactly. We're not doing it.
Whose were?
Me and you.
You better speak for yourself.
I don't have any wipes on me.
I got wipes on me.
Do you?
Yeah.
Share the love.
I'm never showing my wipes to another man.
What? All right.
Where we going?
But I don't know. I was thinking this would be a
Oh,
good...
I just broke my ankle.
Where'd you step in?
I just broke my ankle, dude.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did, dude. Look. Damn, dude. I just broke my ankle. I'm serious.
You did not break
I
your
stepped
ankle.
into this. Yes, I did.
Watch where you walk.
Dude, I'm for real. Oh.
Why are you walking like that? Why are you walking like that?
my ankle, man.
And I'm gonna get some shots this way, and I'm gonna get some shots this way with the traffic. You ready?
Are you telling me that or telling the people?
I'm telling everybody, both. That way we can get some of that juniper in there.
What if I just stand on those chairs right there?
That'll work.
Is it good? That looks sick. You can't tell me that doesn't look sick. It does look sick. We gotta take pictures there.
Okay.
All right. Tell me what we're working with.
Okay, we're looking good.
This one I can't see the screen. Is it cool?
Yeah.
What about come down here?
You know?
I want the full shoe in. Is the full shoe
Full
in?
shoe. That looks actually better right there.
Does it?
Yeah, I like that shot better.
Okay.
Maybe turn around and show the left shoe.
higher. That's a tough angle, bro. We have to change the focus mode on that. Oh, there it is. But we can just go put them on right now and just get to it.
Let's get to it.
I'm recording, by the way.
Are you?
Yeah.
You're always recording.
So let's just explain what's going on. Let's talk to the camera real quick. Old school vlog style. So basically, where am I?
It's like we're in my apartment.
Are we recording?
Mm-hmm.
We are?
Yeah.
It does. Beep. So basically, what? We have one more pair of shoes to do. We got both off-whites out the way. We got the Prestos out the way. We got these out the way. Marina Blues done. And then the very first ones. Oh, we gotta do those. We did the Travis Scott's the first ones. We gotta do those those sail 4s, off-white 4s. So you were right. We do got one more off-white sneaker to do. I appreciate the help on this one.
Yes, sir.
And I'm getting hungry, so we're gonna have to speed this up.
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
Walk back.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, let's go.
What was that little clap thing you did?
I thought we were gonna do a walk-off.
Oh, that was the cut clap. We're out of here? Okay, let's go.
Like with the camera on. Over here.
You just love those shoes, don't you? And I'm not mad at them because I gave them to you, but I was like, police up there?
What? I think the police.
What's going on? You scared of the police? There's one right there, look.
What are you doing?
Like, seriously, you think community service does this? Like, who puts this up? Don't
touch that. Don't touch that. They've been using the same stuff for like 5 years.
Don't touch it?
No, I wouldn't touch it. You want me to use my card this time?
What are you talking about, bro?
Do that, dude. I'll use my card. All right?
It's not a big deal.
No, I'll use my card. It's okay.
It's not a big deal.
I'll use my card. Yo, I'm telling you guys, Comac is the weirdest dude when it comes to like meters and coins and parking meter, whatever. But anyway, we'll just take a quick look at these real quick. I know we're at the end of the video, but I didn't feel like starting the video with this. The shoes are dope. The shoes are amazing. They're actually a little bit more comfortable than the standard Air Force One. Maybe it's like this muslin type material that they always use on all the off-whites. But I think it's dope. I really do think it's dope. Obviously, they'll go with anything. And they really did remind me of the Prestos that I just did the video before this one. So, yeah, and I have another off-white sneaker to do after this one. So just kind of hang in there, guys. We'll just jump right into that video. I might do that video the same way. But just wanted to give you the quick details so the client doesn't feel like, hey, you didn't show any of the close-ups. And I did shoot the original on foot when I first got the shoe right here. And here's black laces and some stand socks and all that. But I ended up hating it, and I moved forward, and we just kind of reshot the video that weekend when we did those 5 sneakers. And as far as the black light, this popped up. Little G2 stamp. And that is pretty much it, guys. Peace, love, and light. And stay tuned for the final part of this 5-part series. Blah. Peace.